I love ice too, and I think the company saw that because they sent me another ice machine. You're probably thinking, who needs 2 ice machines? Well, this one is my very first ice machine I've ever bought. Love it. And it's like these ice. But this one makes Nugget Ice, like Sonic. Oh my god. I'm really excited because it's by the same exact company, and I love this one so much. The other one, it can't go wrong. I feel bad. I'm unboxing the new one right in front of her. This was like the best thing to come home to. I should have opened it from the tushy, not the top, but it's okay. It's okay. Lord. Just like the other one, this came packaged very nicely. Oh wait, I might as well flip it while we're doing this. Lord, okay, this one's a little bit heavier than this one. She's a little bit heavier, and that's okay. We love a heavy girl. I love a hefty girl. I was gonna tell you guys to guess the color, but yeah, you can see it. She's black and beautiful. Instructions, 2-year warranty. Nice, nice. The unveiling of my Nugget Maker. I'm so excited. This is her in her gloriness. As always, the handle. Let's add this because she just looks naked without. I just realized the buttons are on the front. The scraper. Make sure I get everything out. I'll show you the inside of this one too. Peel, peel. Oh Lord have mercy. This tape is no joke. Must be medical grade. Look at them together. Very demure, very cutesy, very uniform. Alright, this is the new one. I'm going to show you how deep this one is. I can already tell it's deeper than the other one. Ooh, so shiny clean. And then I will show you this one after I dump the ice. Now you're probably thinking, Chastity, why don't you use the ice bags that it came with, you know, silly butt? This is my freezer. It will not fit ice. It will not fit a whole ice bag. So this is what we're working with, and that hence the reason why I wanted this so badly. Okay, there we go. There's that one. I'll show you to the side. It makes it a little bit easier. And then this one. Oh, so deep. Just like this one, we have to welcome it into the family and put it through the cleaning cycle. But not before wiping her out with a clean microfiber rag. Clean, clean, wipey, wipey. Make sure to read the quick guide because it does give you tips in case it's not working correctly. We're going to fill it up with water and put it in self-cleaning mode. There's a max line right there. It's kind of hard to see, but... Ta-da! Pop this back in. Just plugged it in. You can literally see me in the reflection. It says to hold this for 5 seconds. And now it is self-cleaning mode. Oh, it flashes just like my other one does. It is the same brand and company, so I don't know why the logo looks like this on this one. Maybe since it's like pop and puh, this one deserves a more edgy logo. She's doing her thing. This one only takes about 15 minutes. I do believe this one took 30, so she is quicker. Makes sense. I'll come back when it's done self-cleansing. I fell asleep last night doing this, but we're going to pick up right where I left off. Obviously, self-cleaning mode's done. Let's see if it flushed anything out. Ooh, I see something floating right there. I do see some speckles at the bottom. So, self-cleaning mode works very well. Now we just have to drain it, and then this time, instead of grabbing a random pan and struggling, I'm going to do what you all suggested. Just do it in the sink. I think I was just so excited the first time I didn't even process I could just, you know, do one of these. I'm going to treat it just like my other one. I'm assuming you just pull it. Oh my god, that was so much easier. Sometimes you just gotta slow down and use your brain. Now that she has tingled out all the nasty water, tip it, make sure I get it all out. Gonna put the stopper back in. Easy peasy. Now it's time I can finally add the water in. I have them side by side. They're not going to stay like this. I have this little area I'm going to set up as like a whole drink station. This is just for the purpose of comparing the two. But let's get into it. I was just about to put sink water in it, but I remember someone commented was like, put purified water. And I do have a Brita, so we're about to put Brita water in the Nuggie. Ooh, and she's already cold, so I don't know if that's gonna like help the process of the nugs form faster, but purified. I never think about using purified because like my sink's right here, so I just put in sink water. But now we can taste the difference and see. That's definitely sink water ice. We can see if this tastes like way better, because that was also another comment I got. Oh my god, I filled it too high. I was yapping, not paying attention. Let me take some of this out. There we go. Britas. I do have them spaced out so the fans can breathe on the side. Alright, it should just be as simple as... Okay! She's doing it! I hear her functioning. Oh my gosh, she's alive! I'm gonna do my collectings on this one, and I'll come back when this one's making nuggies. I did just realize I'm gonna have to wait extra long because it says to dump like the first couple trays of ice it makes. But look how cute it is. Just comes slooshing out. Alright, moment of truth. Here's the other one. Now let's see the new one. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at those little cubies. You already know what we have to do. Little Coke. And like I said, if you leave your ice scoop in the ice maker when you're done, straight to hell. Still straight to hell. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I don't know if I can make it in this little cup. Oh, tink tink. But is she soft? Oh my. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so cold. I just brushed my teeth. I just had the best idea ever. This is like the perfect soft little texture. I work at a liquor store. We sell this pure straight fruit puree. So it's like 100% just fruit juicy chunks. I think I'm gonna buy some of that and top it off on the ice and like mix it up. That'd be such an easy, quick, little good snack. But once again, I love ecozy. This was another slam dunk. I love it. They're gonna have to compete for my love. If you guys are interested in like the puree ice dessert I'll be making, just comment. I'll probably end up doing that tonight because I'm about to go to work. So might as well buy some today. Do you want to try the nuggies? They're so good.